Fight waste with taste. Did you know that about 40% of food in the US is wasted every year? By introducing small habits into your routine, you can waste less food at home. Today, some dietetic interns from TWU, Katie and Mary Jane, will be giving some tips on sustainable food habits and sharing a recipe for using up any vegetables you have lying around. When shopping for food, shop your fridge first. It's important to avoid buying duplicates of any food, and it'll save you money. Expiration dates are also tricky. Just because there's a date on your milk carton or your bread doesn't mean it's gone bad. A lot of these dates just mean it tastes better before that date. Lastly, learn how to store foods to preserve them longer. Wait to wash produce until you're ready to eat, store foods in different containers, and freeze the food you won't be using right away. Leftover vegetable soup can be made with any raw vegetables or even vegetables you've already cooked. The recipe can be found at the end of this video. First, we're chopping some ingredients like an onion, carrots, potato, celery, and a bell pepper. Any leftover scraps can be used to make vegetable stock later or even added to a compost bin. Next, we're adding olive oil to the pot, and once it's heated, we'll saute the onions for about 5 minutes. Once the onions are translucent, stir in the raw vegetables and cook for about 3 minutes. Next, we're stirring in a tablespoon of ranch powder. If you don't have this or you don't like it, you can replace it with another seasoning of your choice. Finally, you're going to add in your broth and some water if it's too thick, and you're going to let your soup simmer for 20 minutes. Once those 20 minutes are up, you're going to add a cooked vegetable of your choice. Here we chose cannellini beans, and you're going to simmer for another 10 minutes. Once those 10 minutes are up, add some salt and pepper, take it off the heat, and enjoy your soup.